Okay, so we've defined that we've got a 24 frame per second timeline, and here is our canvas, and I want to zoom out, make sure I see the entire canvas, pull it up across, or use my hand tool. So here we have layers, and if you're familiar with Photoshop, this is the same principle. Let's say we have a square that has black stroke. Oh, let's double click both of them. Okay, let's go with a black stroke and a pink. Oh, pink fill. Black stroke, pink fill. Okay, so here we have a square on layer 2. So let's click twice on layer 2 and type in square. It's always good to label your layers, or else it can get really confusing really fast. I have animations that have hundreds of layers, and if I don't label them, I'll get very, very confused very quickly. So let's put a circle in, and we'll fill that with blue. And it needs to be selected before we fill it. Okay, so we copy this and paste it here. We name it square. Now you'll notice that we're not cutting into each other here because we're on different layers. And that's the principle I'm trying to show you here, is that both of these objects are on different layers.